Hi, welcome to For Seller channel. This video will guide you how to enable Inventory Sync. Turning on Inventory Sync in For Seller can support real-time updates of actual warehouse inventory to various online stores, support the synchronization of inventory from self-owned warehouses, FBA warehouses, and third-party warehouses to stores, and support stores to configure inventory linkage at the warehouse level to effectively avoid overselling. To use Inventory Sync function, the following steps need to be completed. Step 1. Create and map products. Step 2. Add proprietary warehouse inventory. Step 3. Synchronize and associate FBA inventory. Step 4. Enable Inventory Sync. Step 1. Create and map products. Before enabling inventory linkage, please first enable the functions of automatic association and automatic SKU creation. Go to the listing setting, find the sync settings, and turn on the auto association SPU or SKU. This function can help you reduce the manual operation. After you open the auto association SPU or SKU, if the SPU or SKU is the same or the SPU contains all the store SKU of the product will be automatically associated with the SPU or SKU. If you open the unassociated products automatically create SPU or SKU, it means For Seller will automatically generate SPU or SKU for unassociated products within the set range and associate them. Here you need to choose which store's products you need to create the SPU or SKU automatically. Noted, you can only choose one store at a time and switch every 30 minutes. You can choose the active, inactive, or suspended, or choose all types and then click Save. If you want to manually create and associate products, please enter the inventory module and click the simple page to click the Create button. You need to fill in the stock SKU, product's name of the product. Make sure that the filled in stock SKU is consistent with the shop SKU of the product, and the stock SKU and shop of the product can be associated automatically. You can fill our other information and then please click Save to save stock SKU information. Step 2. Add proprietary warehouse. If you have a proprietary warehouse, you can go to the inventory setting page to add your proprietary warehouse. Fill the warehouse details like warehouse name and contact name or other information. You can create an address for your warehouse here, or to apply the old warehouse address you set in the For Seller before. After editing, click Save. Then you can go to the inventory page to add inventory for your products. Click to enter the Add Inventory page. You can select the warehouse where the inventory is located and click Add Stock SKU to add the inventory SKU. On this page, you can select the location, enter the on-hand quantity and unit cost. If you select many SKUs to add inventory, you also can batch edit and save in one time. You can also choose to import inventory in batches. Clicking Import Initialize will pop up the operation box for importing inventory. You need to download the template file for importing inventory first. Upload the template with the inventory information filled in and click Import to import inventory in batches. Step 3. Synchronize and associate FBA inventory. If you use FBA warehouse, you can refer to this step, otherwise you can ignore it. Enter the inventory settings page, find the 3PF warehouse, and click Create to add the FBA warehouse. Note, to add an FBA warehouse, you must first authorize the Amazon store in For Seller and then click Confirm. Next, to synchronize and map inventory, click on Inventory to enter the FBA page. Click on Sync Inventory to synchronize Amazon's inventory to For Seller. Then, place the mouse beside the stock SKU. You will see a pencil. Click on the pencil symbol to match your stock SKU. Select the corresponding SKU to match and click Done. They will be associated successfully. Step 4. Enable Inventory Sync. Go to the setting page and find the processing settings and turn on the Update Stock to the Marketplace from For Seller automatically to set the sync inventory rules. Before setting up Inventory Sync, you need to enable the Shipping minus Inventory option. First one. Select the stock type for synchronizing stock. You can choose to use available stock or on-hand stock. Set rule options about to be sold out. You can set no process or convert to sold out. When stock is lower than a certain value, For Seller will push stock to 0 for selected shops. The third one is Add Warehouse Matching. You can choose stores on each platform and then choose which warehouse in For Seller you want to push to your platform warehouse. Now For Seller supports warehouse matching for TikTok Shop, Temu, Shopify, Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, Walmart, Shein platform. After finishing the all settings, please click Save. After you use the Sync Inventory function, you can view the sync records of inventory changes on the Inventory Sync page. You can check the success or failed records of each SKU here. Please note, each row represents the latest synchronized record of inventory changes for one SKU. Each main account can push up to 30,000 times per day. If it exceeds 30,000 times, it will no longer be synchronized. It will be refreshed every other day. You can search for a certain SKU to find the corresponding push record. If no record is found, it indicates that this SKU has not been pushed yet. Please note that only when a certain inventory changes will that SKU be automatically pushed to the platform. However, 4Seller supports manually clicking the sync button to synchronize all inventories to the platform, but there are only 2 opportunities per day. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 4Seller channel. We will update new feature video continuously. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.